Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. I am here today with a brand new video. I'm super excited to bring it to you guys. Now, before we get this video started, man, y'all already know the milestone is still here, still live in effect. Now, the grind is to 100K, so if you guys did not already subscribe to my channel, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right about now. Also, guys, leave a thumbs up on this video if you like it, if you enjoyed it. I always read over the comments, so feel free to do that as well. And last but not least, man, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links will be down below in the description as always. Man, alright guys, I've been meaning to get to these unboxings for a while now. The truth is, man, I just been super busy packing, getting everything ready, and to be completely honest, I'm kind of still behind. So guys, the package that I'll be unboxing today, I have no idea where they're from. I have no idea what's in them, and I'm kind of excited because this is my first time I've ever did something like this on camera. So usually when I have packages, I know exactly where they're from. I know exactly what it is. I know who I'm shouting out. I know, you know, what it is. But this is just, I don't know. I think I have some of the most genuine subs like in the world, man. Like, you guys definitely always show love, man. Come through, watch the videos, leave likes, comment, man. And I really appreciate it. I don't get to say it as much because I know I'm super consumed in just making sure that the content gets out, but it does not go unnoticed, man. I read over the comments. I like them, I respond to them. Just know, man, your boy Snipe appreciate the love 100%. I'm excited, bro. I don't know what they are, so let me stop mumbling and just running my mouth because, yo, y'all been in the comments real greasy, yeah? I mean, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I do read my comments, you know what I'm saying? I do read my comments. And y'all been acting, you know what I'm saying, real different. Snipe, you talk too much. You talk too much. It's like that, bro. I can't even talk on my own channel. You know what I think that is, bro? They gotta be the new people at the channel who just don't know me, don't know my personality. It's like, hey bro, like, look, we gonna chop it up. We gonna talk about some things. We move, hey, look, if things going on, we gonna talk about it. First box, man, let's get into it. Here we have it, man, the first box. And as I said earlier, I have no idea what they are. And now I just have to find my box cutter, which I lost in like 5 seconds. I just had it. Wow, okay, got the box cutter, man. Y'all already know that sniper bullet. This is still like the best unboxing knife I've seen in a long time. So let's open this up, man, and see what we have, man. See what we have. Hopefully, like, you know, some of this is sent from you guys or something like that. You never know when it comes down to it, but let's get inside the box, man. And we have, oh yeah, we lit. Needed these. Oh, this is tough. This is tough. Well, that's a lot of them in here. Okay, so look, this one is by the brand PSD. Okay, so PSD is an underwear brand. A lot of you guys probably seen these endorsed by Kyrie Irving. Some of you guys probably seen these endorsed by Jimmy Butler. It's very popular in the NBA. A lot of NBA's guys wear it, but you can also see these at like Jimmy Jazz and things like that. They actually sent over a bunch of these, bro. And to be honest, hold on, let me see. I knew it had to be some type of paper in here. Let me see if it's a note or if it's just a receipt. They sent over a bunch of these joints, man. I seen these over at Soul Play ATL. I seen these at Jimmy Jazz. I see them a lot of places. And what's dope about these is for all my guys that like the straight fit jeans or the fitted jeans, these does not ride up. A lot of good video reviews on these joints, man. And honestly, I did talk to the people over at PSD. I forgot this package was coming. So I have a great treat for you guys. Actually, we have a great treat for you guys. If you use the discount code SNIPER20 over at PSD, I will leave the link down below in the description. You can get 20% off all of the things they have over there at the website. And like I said, man, your boy will definitely be sporting these, man, because not only are these dope, like, this is more luxury brand. No more of the Walmart tidy whities, you know what I'm saying? We don't do that. That's on dope. No more of the days where you go, you know, and cop you know, 3 of the Hanes joints in the bag. No, go get your PSD, man. They definitely looked out for your boy. And no more tidy whities. Matter of fact, if you're really rocking with your boy Snipe Jones one time, comment no more tidy whities down below. Hey, look, I ain't gonna hold you. You probably never see me in another pair of underwear again. I ain't gonna hold you. Probably never again. Let me see how many they sent over, bro, because I really want to know. It's a lot in this box. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, these are tough. These are tough. This is like a NASA. This is like a NASA type look. That's tough. 5. We got some camo going on. 9 and 10, man. They sent your boy 10 pair, man. Thank you guys so much over at PSD. I really appreciate it, man. Like I said, once again, if any of you guys are interested in these, do your research on it, man. They're worth it. Discount code will be linked down below in the description as well as the website. Let's head over and see what we got in the other box. Oh yeah. Okay, man. This box look a little beat, you know what I'm saying? Look like whoever my mailman is got beef. Look like he at least like jabbed it like once or twice before we gave it up, you know what I'm saying? Like that's why it's mystery boxes, I don't know what's in it. Left in the bushes, you know, kind of smothered and whatnot, and that's probably why the box looks so beat, but let's see what's in it. I have no idea. Once again, it sounds like somebody gave me some shoes, but don't nobody know my address. Yo, what is in this box? Hey, listen, if one of y'all selling some shoes, bro, or sold me some shoes or sent me some shoes, I don't think that's possible though. Nobody know my address, but I know shoes when I hear shoes, bro. This sounds like shoes, and I didn't buy no shoes recently. All my stuff usually gets sent to the P.O. box, so it can't be no shoes, bro. It just can't be, but it sounds like shoes. It's shoes. It is shoes, bro. It is shoes from Puma. Wow. Shoes from Puma. Okay, hold up. This just went left, bro. Hold up. Oh, okay. A pair of Pumas sent over by Puma? Are you serious? Wow. Okay, so, all right. Man, okay. Puma has reached out to me a while back, and we never actually talked about them sending over anything, which is crazy. I forgot I gave them my home address. I usually give people the P.O. box, not the home address. So when I seen this box, and I knew it sounded like a pair of sneakers, I just did not know it would be from Puma, man. So huge shout out to Puma. This is the first time anybody's ever given anything to me. Puma, man, I really appreciate it. Y'all already know how we rocking, you know what I'm saying? But I have to say, man, I have been a huge supporter of Puma ever since they did the RXO collabs, man, with the Sonic the Hedgehog joints. When me and Tony D went out and we went to Greenbrier Mall when they had that event. Even when I make sneakers on Most Affordable, I always throw Pumas in the mix because they are one of the best up and coming brands out there in sneakers. Once again, huge shout out to Puma, man. And to read the box to be exact, we have the Sail Alien OG in the yellow alert fluo orange. And let's see what's in them, man. Size 12, so they are the size of your boy. And we have, wow, a pair of the Pumas on deck sent over from Puma, the first pair of sneakers that has ever been sent to your boy Snipe. Listen, man, before we even get into this sneaker, bro, I need y'all to please hit that like button, man, because that's just love right there. That is love. All right, guys, so here we have the Puma Sail Alien OG, and it looks like a current dash shoe with that air bubble at the bottom. Now, you all know that dash shoes are really the wave right now, so Puma has definitely got into that. I even copped a pair of the Thunder Spectres, the OG pairs. That was another dash shoe that I thought was pretty dope, and this pair actually is looking like it's evolving a little bit better with time. The air bubble compartment actually looks great for comfort. I will be doing a review and on foot for these guys, so look forward to that. This will just be a pretty much overlook of the sneaker, man, and just an overall thank you to Puma, but definitely be on the lookout for a full-on review and on foot of this sneaker for sure. One thing I can say is I really do love the colorways, man. As you guys know, summertime is coming. Summertime is here. You got this vibrant lime green with the vibrant orange, man, just popping off of each other, giving it a great summer feel. Almost give you like that super soaker summer feel when it's time to actually get out. Got this great mesh material right here on the uppers, definitely looking like a comfortable shoe, guys, so make sure you stay tuned for the full review. I will definitely get these out ASAP before I head out to Dallas. That is pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Talk about a mystery unboxing, man. Did not know that Puma was sending over them pair of kicks. Thank you so much, Puma. Also, man, thank you, PSD. Make sure you guys use my discount code SNIPER20 to receive 20% off anything over there at the website, and also hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping these bangers. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I appreciate you guys as always, man, and that's just about it for the video. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.
Perfect.